Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
Hey everyone, everything time for today's video, which is a Christmas edition Dollar Tree haul Thursday. Super excited. Furthermore, I'm going to be showing you what we got from Dollar Tree for the Christmas season. You prepare for it. I hope you are getting prepared for Christmas as well. Might as well go ahead and get it done now sooner than later. And all that festivity I'm going to be showing you in this Dollar Tree haul, like I said, Christmas edition. So let's go ahead and get right into what I got for Christmas of this year 2021. Yay! Okay, so this is what I got. So let's get right into the florals. So this is something new that they have for this year. Well, for me it is. It's like this teal, pretty blue, like basically we'll say teal. It's more, yeah, like more like a teal blue color. Probably it's not really giving what it's supposed to be given on the camera, but trust and believe me, it is beautiful. I love it. So anyways, okay, so that's that, and then we're gonna go straight into doing this. Let me pull these out. It's just why I have it in the bag, is because it's very messy. So these are some flock trees that picks that they had got, and this is like what it looks like. So this is very new, and they have a bunch of these. When I say they have a bunch of these, guys, they have a bunch of these. So I was super happy about that. I love these, the way they look. So I'm going to either want to be putting these inside my tree, or I'm going to be putting those in as like a floral arrangement for Christmas. So that is that. And then grab this out of here, and let's get to doing the trees. So I got this tree, and it's very shimmery, as you can see. It's kind of dented, but yeah. So it's pretty messy, as you can see. They all are, which I can't stand. But furthermore, let's do that. Okay, so I got another one. I have two green ones, but I can't find them. So, but yeah, I have those two green ones. It's like look like this, but they're just green. And then I have these. I got these here. I was so glad to find these. I grabbed me two of them. And they also have this in a red color as well, or a gold, but it's got the silver. And then I got me some, I guess, ceramic snowman that either it's a DIY, you can paint it yourself, or you just leave it as is. But I'm going to leave them as is, like the whole white thing. And I got two of these, so I love them. Okay, now I'm gonna get into the ribbons. So I got a bunch of ribbons. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of projects with these. So I got a silver one, as you see, a red. I'm keeping everything in the bag so I can know where everything's at. And then I got sparkly one with shimmers on it. And then I got a burlap. And that's what that is. Well, Miss Burlap, but the design is I can't remember what those are called, but you know, like what they're called. I just can't remember the word. And then I thought this was cute for another project as well. So yeah, I got that. And then I got another burlap that just has like joy and different words on it. Ho ho ho, Merry, and Christmas. And so I got that with words on it with burlap. And then I just got some this. So I got some mesh that's just in silver. They had different colors as well. I got another one, but this is in glitter. I like that as well. And I would say that is about it for the actual ribbons. And then I just got some of this flock snow, and it's like in this pretty blue color, like blue snow type of vibes. So I like that, and I got 2 of those. So that's it for that. And then also what I got for, I can get it, basically the Garland. I got another thing of Garland. I have another one of these, but I got the same one because I really like these the way they look. So they had multiple colors on them, so that's really why. And then I got this sign, well, not sign, but projector. So it looks like. So super excited to use this. And then here is the signs I got. It looks like that. And so you know, because I didn't know, but this is going to be actual like 3D. So can't say it. So basically the windows are going to be 3D. The door and the trees are not. And then for this one, the roof and the one window and the door will be 3D. Everything else won't, as same as this. Everything on her, only thing 3D on her is the roof and the windows. So it's just, you have 2 different ones, 2 different styles, which for me I think is just strange, but that's just me. So I got those, and then I have these, which I think are so cute. So I call these stuffers, or I mean fillers. So I'm gonna be filling these in anywhere. So I got those. I like those. And then I also got some another LED lights. So these are candy canes. And that's the way it looks. And then I got another ribbons. Looks like this. I need another one. So I found these again this year, and I'm going to grab it. And it's not flip, so I can't wait to use these. Got this peace sign, and I thought that was just so cute. I love the whole details. I love that. So I got that, and then some more stuff. I know it's not your traditional, like, I guess haul, but this is where I'm gonna do it because I've got my ring light right now. But anyway, so these are the lights, LED lights, and I got 2 packs of just the white. They also have it in a blue, red, green. Yeah, blue, red, green. Of course, the white and clear. And they got multiple colors as well in this type of pack. But I just wanted it like this. So, like I said, I had got 2 of those. Oh no, I actually got 1 in blue. See, I done forgot another one that I had forgot. And then let's get into it. So as you can see, I got some ornaments. So I got a snowman ornaments in blue, and then I also got it in this silver and black color. So I like that. Thought that was cute. But I think I'm gonna sorry, I think I'm gonna like actually, oh no, it's not in black, it's in silver. It's just the gold part. It's just making it, there we go. Here we go. Bam. It's just in silver. So it just looks like that. But it's really just silver. You see it's mirror my hand. but I think it's so cute, and I like the blue one, the blue as well. I think that is just so cute. Let me make it just feel focus. There we go. But yeah, I thought that was cute. There we go. But I think it was just cute the way they look. And then now I'm doing some projects with these. And I got 2 of those. Let's find the other one. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and this is just what they are, just ornaments. But I'm gonna do a whole bunch of projects. Doing a big project with these, of using those. And I will say, one more thing that I got from Dollar Tree as well. I got these lights. I like those. And then I also got it in color. So I thought that's pretty cool and awesome. So can't wait to use these. But that is all for the haul, guys. That is about it. So I'm loving it.
This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.